lot of pills cause it numbs shit. I wish I had another path to follow. Wish that I could be a man and learn to pass the bottle. A graphic novel, my future a boxer and earn. Having dreams about death but I'm not that concerned. And I'm diseased through the seasons they turn. Watching leaves from the trees turn disease and they burn. I'm eager to learn, but I'm holding my breath. And every day alive is just another closer to death.